Welcome back to another video. Today we have hot deals for welding and much more. Save up to 91% from Harbor Freight. So an email from Harbor Freight. Don't forget to smash the like button, hit the subscribe, hit the bell for more tutorials to deals. Yeah, we got an email. Basically, it's a welding accessories, welding machines. All right, first we got the good and the better. Definitely recommend any Chicago Electric for somebody that's on a budget. That $100 will get you welding, 2 pieces of metal welded. Not necessarily the cleanest or the best weld ever, but will get the job done. However, if you have a little bit more money, I would definitely invest in titanium. Titanium is a much better machine. It'll get the cleaner welds. And for learning, it's a better welder to learn because you can get much cleaner welds out of it, and it has a lot more features in it. I'm not really an expert, but that's the research I've been doing. I've been asking, and that's basically a better brand than Chicago Electric is really basic. Like I said, just put 2 pieces of metal together. That's it. So we got this one for $99.99, just under $100. We got this one for $179.99. However, we did see this at the parking lot sale, really good, for a really good price. I believe it was $149.99 if I'm not wrong. I don't know if it was a Black Friday or the Black Friday sale. I believe it was a Black Friday sale. But yeah, we had a smoking deal on it. So if you guys not urgent to get a welder, wait for a parking lot sale. You could probably get a better deal. I haven't done the parking lot sale for this month yet. I will be doing it, so stay tuned. Make sure you subscribe and stay tuned to this channel. 170 amp MIG flex core welder, $169.99. Got the MIG 170 professional. You got 120 and 240 volt input. So this is dual voltage for $449.99. And then you have the new 240 volt inverter plasma cutter with digital display, $599.99. And then you got the 45 amp plasma cutter. Obviously it's 240. $749.99. You got the better and the best. Definitely recommend the best if you can afford it. If you run a small shop, definitely recommend the best for you. But titanium will get the job done. Definitely will get the job done. It's a great machine too. Professional performance. This is the Unlimited 200 Professional Multi-Process Welder, $649.99. This is the Omni Pro 220 Industrial, $869.99. And like I said, these have 5 stars. There's a lot of reviews out there. There's a lot of guys that do dedicated welding channels. And they do in-depth reviews of this. So if you're going to buy a machine, I would definitely watch some videos of welding before you buy, spend this much money. Obviously, these 2 machines are great, but, do your own research. Make sure that's the one that you need. You got the MIG 140 Professional Welder, 120 volt input, $349.99. Got the MIG Max 140 Industrial Welder, 120 volt input, $549.99. You got the 225 amp AC 240 volt stick welder, $184.99. You got the stick. Yeah, I really like the stick welders. I don't know, it's just much simpler, than fitting the wire. Stick 225 inverter welder with electric holder. Customer rating, okay, $249.99. So it's not a bad deal. For $249.99 will get you, a nice basic welder there. You got the Commander stick industrial welder, 225 amp AC, 150 amp DC, 230 volt input, $399.99. Then you got the good and the better and the best. Obviously, Vulcan's the best. Chicago Electric will get the job done. These are fairly inexpensive. Always wear your protection. You don't want to ever do anything without protection, especially a helmet with a nice protective lens there. So you got this one, really basic, $24.99. I will definitely, that's good and everything. It'll get the job done, but I would definitely go with the higher ends. I do have this in my house. I haven't used it personally, but it feels really good, like really good material. Like it feels pretty solid, so it doesn't feel like it's gonna fall apart if it falls. Other than that, it's really the same thing as this one, but with the flames. That's all it is. And this one obviously is gonna be your top of the line Harbor Freight deal here. So $129 for the top of the line, $40 and $34. This is definitely gonna get the job done. And then you got some welding carts. Definitely some nice welding carts. Even this one's really nice. It does have you can put the welder on the top. It does have like a little place here where you can put the little accessories there, and then the helmet at the bottom, or you can put other stuff on the back. Definitely on a cheap, for $30, you can pretty much get the whole deal there. And welding storage cabinet. So this is much bigger. This does have some drawers there, so it'll hold a lot more stuff. Does have a place here at the bottom, and you can hold a big tank on the back, as it says right there. Does have the measurements here. It's hard to read. Let's see if we can zoom in. It says 33.5 by 19.5, and 33 inches tall. So pretty big. You got, and that's $149.99. And then you have this one for $89. So which is under $90. It's the Vulcan 350 aluminum or 350 pound capacity welding cart, $89.99. And then you got the commercial quality heavy duty welding storage cabinet. This is a much bigger unit. Obviously, it's for multiple welders or plasma cutters. $299.99. All right, you got the oxygen pressure regulator, $59.99. But I will definitely read the reviews on these. 150 amp spool gun, $139.99. This is a 12-inch F-style welding clamp, $16.99. You got the 6-in-1 MIG welding pliers, under $10. 6x8 professional fiberglass welding blankets, $38.99. You got the 4 3/4 multi-purpose magnet holder, $199. Magnetic welding holders, pack of 4, $399. 4 3/4 heavy duty on and off large welding magnet. Does have an on and off switch, $22.99. And then you got the adjustable steel welding table, $54.99. You get the E71 TGS flux core welding wire. So this is the wire that goes in between the cable, the big cable, and the gun. $15.99. 20-piece MIG welding tips assortment set, $7.99. And then you have the 1 1/8 AWS welding electrolyte, 10 pounds, $21.99. And then you got the portable torch kit with oxygen oscillating tanks, $249.99. You got the 2-piece welding brush set, $3.99. You got the welding chipping hammer, $4.99. You got the built-in micro torch, $12.99. You got the oxygen cylinder welding kit, $129.99. You got some gloves here. You got $3.99. Professional TIG welding gloves, $7.99. You get the professional MIG, the Vulcan. So these two are Vulcan, $14.99. All right, angle grinders. I do have this one, by the way. It works pretty good. It does have higher stars than this one. That doesn't mean it's higher quality than that. It's just mean that, for the price, it's a great buy. I will definitely recommend it. If you have a shop and you're running multiple wheels and an expensive, a really name brand angle grinder. Well, this is, if you can have you can have multiple of these. You can have 4, 5, or 3, whatever you can afford. Have a different wheel in every single one of them. That way you're not switching from, grinder. You're not switching wheels on your grinders all the time. So that, even if you have a name brand grinder, a DeWalt, a Milwaukee, or even a Hercules or something like that, if you have a professional level tool, then just keep the one that you use the most on that tool, or the one that you need more force. You're going to be forcing that for high, heavier duty projects. And then just have this one as a grinding, or maybe a wire wheel or something like that. Something lighter on these, and that way you're not switching the blades back and forth. But anyways, under $10, $16.99 for the good, $29.99 for the better, and definitely recommend the Hercules for you guys for $49.99 or $39.99. Got the grinder accessories. They do have some blades, and we haven't heard anything bad about these blades. It's just, they're just gonna wear down quicker. They're cheaper, but other than that, they're gonna work the same. You get the 8-inch 5-speed benchtop drill press, $54.99. The 5-inch deep cut variable speed bandsaw, $99.99. Get the 1 horsepower 4x6 horizontal vertical metal cutting bandsaw, $199.99. Alright guys, that was it for today. Don't forget to smash the like button, hit the subscribe, hit the bell for more tool reviews to deals, and we'll see you guys in the next one. Thank you for watching.